Hi everybody, it's Kylara, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing video. So because I'm relatively new in the art community, I subscribed to this box about 6 months ago and I absolutely love it. I get to try new supplies that I never would have grabbed or gravitated to, and I thought I would show you guys what kind of thing you can get in a Paletful box. So I have not opened this. I will open it for you right now. Hopefully these scissors will work. These are the little baby scissors that I keep on my desk just in case I may need something cut. But they are not the best scissors, as you can see. They're just tiny little things, but it's working. That's all that we need. Alright. So, I will open the lid of the box. Hopefully it won't hit the camera. And so this is what you see when you open up the box. And I see some stuff. So I'm going to set the box aside here and we'll just go through things one at a time. Oh goodness, there's a lot of stuff in this box this time, guys. I don't even know where to start. Well, this is a watercolor theme box, I believe. So the very first thing that we have here are koi watercolors, and it's a pocket filled sketch box for your colors. And let's just open it up to see what it is. I am not very good at watercolor. We were just discussing this, me and my friends. I just don't have the knowledge to put this to use, but I will definitely be giving it a try. So here we have a little tiny travel palette, and there are the colors that we receive. It comes with a paintbrush that you can just quickly screw together, and it's travel size as well. It's got a decent nib on that brush. So then you would use it and then empty it, and we would then place it back in. So everything's travel size. Got to love this, guys. Very nice. And that's koi watercolors. And it says, on-site watercolor painting is simple with a studio right at your fingertips. This set features half pans of koi watercolors, specially formulated to blend easily to create an endless cool range. It includes a large water reservoir barrel, a detachable medium brush tip, 2 dabbing sponges, a snap lid that acts as an easel for postcard size papers, a detachable pegged palette that secures for the set base either to the right, left, or center sides, and a base pull down ring that allows for easy gripping. Alright, so now I need to take... I don't understand what they're talking about. Oh, I guess you can... Yeah. I'll have to investigate this because I don't really understand what they're talking about. All these things that you can do with this. I don't know. I don't want to break it. So we'll just leave that at that for now. Next, we have 15 Strathmore watercolor postcards. Oh wow. So they're actual postcards, guys. So you would do your watercolor painting, and on the back we have the postcard. These are really cute, guys. I am looking forward to doing some lessons and seeing what I can create. So dabbling in here again. I have found the Derwent watercolor pencil. So we have one Derwent pencil, and it is Prussian Blue, number 35. Next, we have a journal. So this is a visual journal, and it's a watercolor journal. There are 44 pages of 140-pound aquarelle, 300 GM2 paper. Wow. Very, very nice paper, guys. I don't know if it's cold pressed. It is, it's cold pressed. So there's 44 pages, and it's 5.5 inches by 8. So we have that. And let me just make sure that I have everything. Yep. This is the last item in the box. And it is some pearlescent paints. Those are beautiful. I don't actually have any pearlescent paints, so this will be fun to play with for sure. So let me just make sure that we've got everything. Yes, we do. And in case you're wondering what make these pearlescent paints are, they are the Niji pearlescent watercolor set. This stunning, non-toxic watercolor set is perfect for watercolor enthusiasts looking to try something a little different. These watercolors come in rich pearlescent cake colors that can be used alone or with other water-based media. The durable plastic lid is hinged and turns into a mixing palette. So, basically, the value, I'll go over the values with you. The Koi watercolors retails at $26.49. The Niji pearlescent watercolor set retail value is $5.30. The journal is a retail value of $10.49. The Strathmore watercolor postcards are retail valued at $6.29. And the Derwent pencil is valued at $2.29. So I don't do this personally myself, but there are prompts that come every month with your PAT. So the prompt rules are: make a drawing or painting based on your interpretation of the prompt. Post it to social media, and then you hashtag it with PaletfulPrompt or PaletfulPacks. So for March, the prompt list goes: week 1 are owls, week 2 is green, week 3 is character on a quest, and week 4 is retro. So you can use these products to create something to do with these prompts. So that is it. I will leave a link to Paletful down below if you would like to receive your Paletful pack. If you decide to order, I would love to hear about it. I would like to know whether or not somebody actually decided to enjoy this wonderful art pack alongside me, and then maybe we could do a challenge together. So if you decide to order the Paletful pack, please let me know. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.